Good morning, friend. This is the last topic on this, or last article on this topic, the sodium doublet. The classical example is the yellow sodium. Doublet line, which are known as sodium D line, which are known as sodium D lines. The wavelength of these two lines or doublets, lambda is equal to 5890 angstrom and lambda is equal to 5896 angstrom. These two lines are present in sodium doublet. The D1 component, this is D1 component and this is D2 component. D1 wavelength is 5896 angstrom and D2 component 5890 angstrom. The difference between these two lines 6 angstrom, approximately 6 angstrom. Okay. The D1 component is due to the transition of P half to S half, and D2 component is the transition of P 3 by 2 to S 1 by 2, as shown in following figure. This figure, these are the 2P 3 by 2, then 2P 1 by 2, and this is the ground state 2S 1 by 2. This is the transition between sodium doublet. This is D1 and this is D2. D1 and D2. Okay. Applying the selection rule, delta L is equal to plus or minus 1 and delta J is equal to 0 or plus or minus 1, excluding 0. Both the transitions are allowed. Which one? These two, D1 and D2. The doublet fine structure of the sodium D line, the diffuse and fundamental series starts from doublet levels. We have already seen in last article, diffuse and fundamental series start from doublet level and end on doublet level, but the selection rules only permit triplets. The doublet character of sodium spectrum, this is sodium spectrum, is shown in figure 2. This is figure 1 and this is figure 2. This figure shows the doublets. This is 3P 3 by 2 and second one is 3P 1 by 2, and this is the ground state 3S 1 by 2. This is line D1 and this is line D2. D1 wavelength is 5896 angstrom or 589.6 nanometer. Same as D2 wavelength is 5890 angstrom or 589 nanometer, 589.0 nanometer. The difference of these two lines is 6 angstrom, approximately 6 angstrom. Some points are also noted in regards to alkali spectra. which one they are shown. The first point is corresponding doublet separation increases. Separation increases with atomic number. Okay, then second one is doublet separation in the ionized alkali earth are larger than corresponding doubleting alkali metals. Alkaline earths, ionized alkaline earth are larger than the corresponding doublets in alkali metals. Then third one is each element doublet separation decreases. Each element doublet separation decreases is going to higher series. Going to higher series. Then fourth one is each element P doublets are wider than D. Doublets are wider than D. D are wider than F. D are wider than F. This is the sodium doublet.